Hello everyone, happy November 23rd. Today we celebrate espresso, Fibonacci, and the joy of patterns and pick-me-ups. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Espresso Day, a bold celebration of rich, concentrated coffee goodness. A great gift could be an espresso maker, a set of Demitasse cups, or a Barista-style coffee sampler. How do you take your espresso? Let's perk up the comments. Next, it's Fibonacci Day, honoring the famous sequence found in nature and math. A thoughtful gift could be a spiral notebook, a math puzzle book, or a golden ratio art print. Where have you spotted Fibonacci in real life? Let's count it out in the comments.
Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later.
And finally, it's Eat a Cranberry Day, a tart reminder to enjoy seasonal flavors. A sweet gift could be a dried cranberry snack pack, a cranberry-scented candle, or a holiday baking kit. How do you cranberry? Let's stir the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 21st to 25th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.